Namaste, my name is Minnie and I have been listening to Acharyaji from last 2 years as all of us started from the YouTube shorts and the Instagram shorts. I started from the very same way, but slowly and gradually I get into the long videos on YouTube, but then I realized that how I'm making fool to myself, and that is the biggest illusion or the temporary fix that one can give to someone else, or not just to someone else but to oneself. How can I make myself fool up to an extent wherein I'm just trying to give myself a short-term so-called fixes, wherein I'm not actually willing to address or to face my actual issues. This is what we all are doing. We are watching Acharyaji through YouTube shorts, Instagram shorts, but we are not ready to get into the Gita community and to know oneself and to give us the permanent fixes. And yes, I was actually doing the exact same thing. That was the biggest mistake, and I was making myself fool every single day, every single hour. Like if I give you a few examples, diabetic patients know that they should not be eating sweets, but they do it. Similarly, when we try to study something or we try to read something, we feel sleepy. But then we realize as soon as we close our books and we try to go to sleep or to go to our bed, but then we don't feel sleepy. But we need to understand how it's happening. That's ego. And when I joined the Gita community, I observed the changes, because that's the entire platform wherein it's not just 1,000 people, but lakhs of people are there who will help you to understand yourself and how you're operating from ego, and not just from the ego. What is the right action? You need to understand the difference, whether your actions are being performed by you or your ego. Acharyaji help you to understand the difference and also help you to make the right choice every minute, every hour. And that's when the real difference occur in your life. And I started to see a entirely changed person, because previously I was taking just small fixes from YouTube or Instagram, but then I joined community and now I'm able to know myself. I'm not giving temporary fixes to myself, but I'm changing myself. I'm getting into a better person every single day. I'm improving myself, improvising the things that I'm understanding, and you get to learn from so many people, lakhs of people. They share their flaws and how they fix it. They share their experiences and you can learn from each one of them every single day. And by Acharyaji's teachings, his learnings and everything, you get to know a lot of things. So stop giving these temporary fixes to yourself. This is just a friendly suggestion to all of the people who are listening to me, because I was making fool to myself. And seriously, once you'll start to get into the community, you'll understand the Acharyaji's teachings, and you will understand what exactly it is.